Question number 3. A trolley while going down on inclined plane has an acceleration of 2 centimeters per second square. Here the key word is acceleration. The rest all is a story. We need not go into the details. So acceleration has been given as, and what will be the velocity? We are being asked to find out velocity after 3 seconds after the start. So time is 3 seconds after the start. So the body has started from rest, that is been given here itself. So u will be 0 and we are supposed to find this velocity. Herein units are in seconds and this is also in seconds, so we need not worry about this part of the sum. We simply go into the sum and arrive at the answer in terms of centimeters per second. And we know that this is the parent formula and these three are the children derived from this, and now we need this formula to arrive at the answer. Now applying the formula and plugging the values here, we see that this cuts the square part and 1 is left, and therefore 2 3s 6 centimeters per second. This is the unit of velocity. We can get the answer inclusive of the units without any scrambling for what it would be or questioning or doubting whether we are right or wrong. The answer would come in along with the units. So always cultivate the habit of including the units in the calculation. Now see the fourth question. A racing car has a uniform acceleration of 4 meters per second square. What distance will it cover in 10 seconds after the start? We have been given A and we are being asked to find out the displacement, and then time has been given, and again he is saying that after the start means the body has started from rest, therefore u equals 0. As you can see, for S, since the final velocity has not been mentioned, these two are the formulae, and since V is not available, this is readily applicable formula for the question. Now replacing the values into the formula we have, herein this value has been nullified because 0 into anything is 0, and now these two get cut off units and we are left with meters in the numerator, and now 2 2s, and therefore 10 10s 100, therefore 200 meters is the answer for the fourth sum.